In this video, I'll show you how to access the classic settings within Power Apps or Power Platform environment. Now, when I say classic settings, I mean the older interface through which you can perform some administration related activities. Now, as we all know, Power Apps, Power Platform, the entire system is being built from the classic interface. So, this product has been since long, like it's been since like last 10 years. Now, this, or more than 10 years, I'd say, this particular product has got a lot of legacy UI. Now, some of the settings within the Power Apps or Power Platform environment is like, say, you can only configure some of the settings using the classic interface only. Although the UI, the user interface, has evolved over a period of time, but there are some settings which can only be accessible through the classical interface. Now, I'll give you some examples. So, let me open Power Platform Admin Center. Now, if I navigate to the Power Platform Admin Center, you will see a lot of modern interface, right? Now, if you want to go into the classic interface for Power Platform Admin Center, you can just untick this box and then it will take you to the old way of navigating the Power Platform environment. So this is how we used to access earlier, right? So if you go into one of the environment, it will have that same classical interface kind of an experience. Now, let me turn this on again. Now, if I navigate to various settings, I can just click on the left menu. I can collapse, expand, and nicely it is placed on the left hand side. You can see various icons. Now, if you go inside, say, one of the environment, so let me go into one of the environment and go to settings. Now, I'm not going to show you all the links, but there are few links through which you can navigate to the classical interface settings. So one of them is like, if I expand email, if I click on mailboxes, now as you see over here, it has opened the classic interface. Now, this is the old interface which was used earlier to configure the backend of the Power Platform or dynamic system. Now, the indication is that if you see this kind of an icon, that means it will open it in a new window, and quite obvious that that might be a classic interface. However, if you click one of these icons, like say there's no icon over here, this hyperlink, this is like kind of a modern interface, right? Now let me go back again, and you see that there is a open in new tab kind of an icon, which indicates that this will open in a classic interface. Now, other example, like if I go to integration, I can go to document management settings. This opens that new interface or the classical interface. Now, earlier, when it used to open a classical interface, we used to see a menu on the top and then we could have navigated to other settings, but now we cannot. Now, this is dedicated to document management only. This is dedicated to email boxes only. Similarly, if I go into other settings like the auto numbering, so if I go to auto numbering, you see this auto numbering interface. Then if you go into bulk deletion, you can go to bulk deletion interface. So these are all like classical interface. So these are the areas through Power Platform Admin Center you can navigate to perform various settings or configuration within the Power Platform environment. Now, let me close this tabs. Now, from an application perspective, now if I go into say one of the app which I've created, so I've just created an airlines app. So this is like a simple model driven app. Now, when I built this application, I made use of some sort of a tables. So now there are various tables which have been used. So if I go into one of the airline table, and if I go into say one of the say forms. So if I go into one of the forms, I can go into say main form. Now here, uh, I can perform various, I can design the form, I can configure the form from here itself. Okay. Now this is a modern interface. Now there are some settings which you may need to go in the backend and perform some changes. Okay. Now there is a way, like if you click on three dots over here, you can switch to the classic interface. So the moment I click to switch to classic interface, it will take you to the classical interface of Power Apps, and then From here you can perform various manipulations to the form. You can, so it's like an old interface. You can change the property, you can set a business rule, you can configure the form property. So as you see over here, there is a form property. You can configure the libraries, event handlers, display settings, query string parameters, non-event dependencies, and there are many other settings which you can configure over here. Is this video is just like an introduction to show you how to navigate with classical interface if you get stuck with designing your Power Apps application, and then there is only way to configure the setting is through the classical interface. So this is one of the way. Okay, so the first I showed you Power Platform Admin Center configuration. Now this we are diving into one of the tables form. Also, if I go back, if I go into the solution, now this is the solution which I have created. Now within the solution, now if you want to configure say something like say there's something called as say grid view. Now this is a grid view. Now you see this option show as. Now this is not available out of the box. Okay, configuration settings. Now you need to enable this. Now the only way to enable this is through the classical interface. Now how do we enable this? Is just by going into uh, the solution. So this is the core solution. Now if I click on three dots over here, I can go to switch to classic, and then with that I get a classical interface for solution exploration. Now here I can select various entities. I can select various lot of things over here from the classical interface, but I'm interested in the table entity airlines, and if I click on it, I have an option to change the controls, and then I can pick whatever controls I want. So I can configure events, I can configure primary fields, general, and even I can configure the manage properties. So here I get a complete list of managed properties which I can configure. Now the parity between the old and the new system is like I'd say almost 80-85%, but still there are some settings which you can only perform using the classical interface. So it is advisable to know the paths through which you can navigate to the classical interface. Now the one which I'm showing you, this is a solution interface through which you can view the components, you can view the entities, the client extensions, the dialog boxes, dashboards, and various other settings over listed over here. The first one which I showed you was about the Power Platform Admin Center Classic interface. The second one which I showed you about configuring the form. So if you want to see the classical interface, how the form has been uh, designed and what were the earlier options, you can navigate to this particular area. So that's it, folks. This is all about utilizing the classical interface to perform a configuration settings for your Power Apps. Thanks for watching.